discuss some of the basic concepts of permutations and combinations. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ shortcuts, basic shortcuts ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು try ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವತ್ತು. Let us see what are the basic shortcuts that are possible in permutations and combinations. This is a traditional problem of post box and letters. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So the question asked will be, there will be say 3 post boxes and there are 6 letters. Okay? In how many ways 6 letters can be posted in 3 post boxes? Let us see, is there any shortcut for this question? So it's a question on post box and letters. Shortcut enadru idya anta nodona. Let us assume this is the post box. Assume this is the post box. Okay? And ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ post box letter ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವತ್ತಾದರೂ? Okay, ಈಗ ಯಾರು ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ, but before we used to do, you can imagine a post box, and you know how the letter is put inside the post box. ಹೇಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ letter ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು post box ಒಳಗಡೆ? We put like this, no? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. We are putting the letters, post box is here and we are putting the letters from top, right? So that means post box is here and we are putting the letter here. So shortcut, what I am going to tell you is very simple. 3 to the power of 6. That's it. So this will give you the number of ways in which 6 letters can be posted in a post box or put inside a post box. 3 to the power of 6. That's it. Now we'll go to the second question. Imagine 4 fingers and say 5 rings. In how many ways 5 rings can be put in 4 fingers? Okay. In how many ways 5 rings can be put in 4 fingers? So these are 4 fingers. Okay, I got this ring. How do you put the ring? This is the finger. I'm going to insert the ring like this, right? So idr melgade innu ನೀವು 1 2 3 4 5 6 etc. I can put like that. So andre this is the finger. Imagine this is the finger. Okay, and imagine this is the ring. This is the finger and this is the ring. So finger ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆ, ring ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇದೆ. So obviously you know the answer now. How many fingers we are taking now? 4 fingers. How many rings are there? 5. So this will give you the answer for this question. That means, in how many ways 5 rings can be put inside 4 fingers means 4 to the power of 5. That's it. Andre base ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಬರ್ತದೆ? ring ಬರ್ತದೆ. Sorry, finger button. So you are putting the ring from top. So rings will come at the top. Now, this is a question on election. See, there are so many number of votes or voters, and imagine there are 3 candidates who stood for that election, and let us say there are 10 votes or voters which are there. So in how many ways these 10 voters will select these candidates? So obviously, as you know, votes go to candidates king ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. So candidates will come here, votes will come here. Leave out. Similarly, see, imagine there are around 15 students and there are around 25 prizes given in a school function. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 15 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, and 25 prizes to be given to these 15 winners. So in how many ways 25 prizes can be given to 15 students? Prizes ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? If this is the prize, you give the prize like this, right? So student ಹೀಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ prize. So obviously student will come down to the power of prize. This will give you the answer. So that means 15 to the power of 20. So in how many ways 25 prizes can be given to 15 students? The answer is 15 power 25. Is it not simple? So ಇದು ನಾವೇನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಇದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಮುಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್. ನಾವಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. ಓಕೆ.